if you want to back up your messages, here's how you do it. At the top right corner menu, tap on Settings, tap on Chats, and tap on Chat Backup. So you have the option to back up all your messages and media to your Google Drive account. You can tap on Backup button here. At the bottom here is where you set your Google Drive settings, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. So let's just select weekly. Then I need to select an account, which is my Google Drive account here. So I'll pick this account and it will authenticate myself. So I'm just gonna select allow here. And I can choose to back up my data over Wi-Fi or over Wi-Fi or mobile data. So usually you just want to select Wi-Fi. You don't want to waste your mobile data. And you can also select if you want to include videos in your backup over here. So that's how you back up your chat. So to restore all your chat messages, what you need to do is you need to uninstall your WhatsApp business app and reinstall it. Then the app will prompt you if you want to restore your backup from your Google Drive. The purpose for chat backup is basically for you to restore all your previous chat messages to, say, a different phone. Say you need to move your WhatsApp business app to a separate phone. That's where you back up your messages so that you can restore it on a different phone. That's the main idea of why you want to back up your chat messages.